Hello, everyone, and welcome to Microsoft Whiteboard. My name is Amelia Roberts, and I am going to be your instructor for this course. In this course and the modules that follow, we are going to be diving into all that Microsoft Whiteboards has to offer. We are going to start by talking about the purpose of Microsoft Whiteboards. We are going to talk about all the content that you can add to a board. We're going to jump into the drawing and inking tools available in Microsoft Whiteboard. And then we are going to even look at the collaboration abilities that you can do, not only in Microsoft Whiteboard, but in other applications as well. Microsoft Whiteboard is a very useful tool when collaborating with your team. It is also very useful when needing a creative workspace to let those wonderful thoughts flow. We're going to finish off our course with some best practices to consider before even starting to create a whiteboard. And then I am also going to put you through demonstrations that regard all of these different aspects. I hope you enjoy the course, and I can't wait to learn with you.